Welcome to all EME2I student for engineering drawing lecture of Unit 1, that is projection of straight lines. Myself Professor Sinde Devi. Today we'll have a projections of straight line. Now information regarding a line means its length, position of its end with HP and VP. Position of its end with HP and VP. Its inclination with HP and VP will be given. Now what information they will give? Its length, position of its ends with HP and VP means above, in front of, point. Its inclination with HP and VP will be given. It is perpendicular 90 degree with HP, 90 degree with VP, parallel to VP, parallel to HP, inclined to HP, inclined to VP will be given. Now what will be the aim? To draw its projection means we have to draw the front view and top view. Simple cases of projection of line. First, vertical line perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Second, line parallel to both HP and VP. Third, line inclined to HP and parallel to VP. Fourth, line inclined to VP and parallel to HP. And fifth, line inclined to both HP and VP. Now the study illustration given on the next page is showing clearly the nature of front view and top view of the line listed above, and note the results here. Now here front view is vertical line showing the true length and top view is a point. Here they are given front view and top view both are parallel to XY and both show true length. Let us observe here. First case, a line perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Here is a green color VP vertical plane and blue color is a horizontal plane. What condition given? A line perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. This is the XY line where HP and VP bifurcate. Here is the red color line. Line is named as a capital A and B. That is object here. Now observer is observing from front side to draw the front view of this line. The line is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. For front view, they have given the arrow perpendicular eyesight exactly to the VP. The eyesight struck eye vision, that is arrow is the eye vision, struck on the VP they have given and named it, mark the point, that is A dash and B dash, that will be the front view. Now to draw top view, observer looking from the top side exactly perpendicular to HP for top view. Now the eye vision is struck here, the light is propagated, it will struck at HP the point, marking of the point and A and B. Here front view and top view of the line which is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP is shown. Second condition, line is parallel to both HP and VP. Line is parallel to both HP as well as VP. Here are the principal planes VP and HP. AB, that is parallel to both HP and VP. Above HP, in front of VP. Now to draw the front view, observer is observing from front view, that is perpendicular to VP. Here the 2 points are transferred on, that is the white line, that is the front view. and here is the top view. Now orthographic pattern. Here is the orthographic pattern we have to observe. This is a three-dimensional pattern. For the first case, here the HP is rotated. The same case is given here, that is A, B and B and A. Which plane is rotated? HP plane is rotated at 90 degree. This is the orthographic pattern for first condition, line perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Now orthographic pattern for second, line parallel to both HP and VP. When we rotate at about XY line, the horizontal plane coplanar with respect to HP, this will be your orthographic pattern. Okay. Now front view inclined to XY line, top view is parallel to XY line, top view inclined to XY line, and front to these two conditions we have to observe here now. Third condition, line inclined to HP and parallel to VP. Here is VP and HP on a red color line, that is inclined. AB is inclined to HP and it is parallel to VP. This line is parallel to VP and inclined to HP at angle theta. This is angle theta with respect to HP. Now when the observer observes, he wants to draw the front view, will come and look perpendicular to VP. The point I vision struck, the rays eye end points are struck to VP here, and white color line shows the front view on VP, that is A dash B dash at angle theta. For top view, here the point has been transferred A and B, the point struck on HP. This is the top view. Now if you observe clearly, the point A above HP from this length above HP and in front of VP, this distance you have to take into consideration. Okay. Now this is the orthographic projection for the line inclined to HP. The line AB is inclined to HP. This blue color is HP and this is VP. Inclined to HP means above XY line inclination, and point A is above HP. It is above HP. A dash is above HP, above XY line, and in front of VP means below XY line. Okay, now it is inclination, they will give the angle theta, they will give the true length of the line, and we will find top view here. So what will be the top view length, or they will give the top view and they will give the condition, line is inclined to HP, this inclination inclined to HP means above, inclined to VP means below. Now we will observe in the second case, this is the orthographic projection pattern. Now fourth, line is inclined to VP and parallel to HP. This is VP, this is HP. This is some angle with respect to VP and it is parallel to HP. Red color means object here inclined to VP and parallel to HP. Now for the top view, now we have to move parallel to which plane? HP. On the HP we have to draw here first. This will be the top view, A and B, at angle phi. Here the angle phi. Now to observe front view, here the 2 point has been struck here. We will name it as A dash B dash. Now let us observe, this will be the front view. What will be the orthography pattern? Here is. Now which procedure we have adopted? It is inclined to HP and parallel to HP. Means we have to draw, start here. Parallel to VP, we have to start with VP, in VP. Inclined to VP means inclination of 5 degree. A is point in front of VP. This is the distance in front of VP from XY line. That we will solve in the next problems. Okay. Thank you.